Have you heard of snail rolls? They're the latest trend in seed starting. And I'm going to make my own snail roll. I did this once several years ago and I called it a sushi roll. But the trend never really stuck with me, but I thought I'll give it another go since it's kind of gaining some popularity, and I'll show you how I do it. The last time I used a sandwich bag from IKEA as my base, but lately I noticed that people are using these. These are like these foam liners. I use this as my base. I'm also going to need a rubber band to hold it all in place. I need some kind of cup to hold your roll. I have my seed starting mix, and I'm going to lay it on top of this plastic liner and to lay this on the surface, just like making a roll of sushi. Next, I need my seeds, sweet pea mix. Great way to sow sweet peas. I normally sow them in a root trainer, which takes up a lot of space. In a roll like this, you don't require much space at all. All you need is a space of a cup. And I'm just going to lay them out on the top. So there are the seeds, and they're running along the top right here. So I'm going to take my secondary piece. I'm going to lay it right on top of that roll. I had pre-cut this previously to make sure that they were the same size. I laid it over top, and now I'm going to roll my roll. Roll it like so, and roll it as a sushi roll. There's my sushi roll. I'm going to take my rubber band and just close the roll like this. There you go. It's ready. Put it in a cup and it's ready to go. Stay tuned for part 2 where I show you what to do next.